everyone, how are you doing? Today we have a cooking challenge with a budget of $5. Specifically, it's a challenge to create a dish using ingredients that cost the equivalent of $5 in Japanese yen. Today I'd like to make a seafood dish within the $5 budget. I did a little research and here's what I found you can typically buy for $5. It seems like you could buy several items at McDonald's for $5. Seafood, on the other hand, like sashimi or sushi-grade ingredients, tends to be quite expensive. Today I'd like to take on the challenge of making a seafood bowl. With the current exchange rate of $1 to 158 yen, $5 equals 790 yen. I'll see what kind of seafood bowl I can make with this budget. By the way, I won't be considering consumption tax. Got it. So, the first ingredient we're using is red sea bream, which costs 553 yen. With a 30 discount, it's 387 yen. Then, we have yellowtail at 264 yen. Yellowtail seems to be quite affordable this year due to a good catch. Also, we have shiso leaves at 98 yen. As for seafood bowls, condiments are indispensable. Lastly, a bowl of rice would be around 30 yen. Some items were surprisingly cheap, but as it stands, we spent 779 yen, which is roughly $4.93 when converted to dollars. Today's ingredients include red sea bream, yellowtail, shiso leaves, rice, chopped noric seaweed, 2 tablespoons of sake, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 1/4 teaspoon of dashi stock granules, 1/4 cup of water, wasabi, and sesame seeds. I'll be getting various preparations underway, but please start by cooking the rice. There's another video available showing how to cook rice, so please take a look at that. Now, for the red sea bream, I bought it whole, so I've scaled it. Remove the internal organs, and filleted it into 3 pieces. Once filleted, as usual, I'll soak it in a 5-saline solution for about 10 minutes to remove any fishy odor. Even if you have fish that has been cut for sashimi rather than bought whole like this time, if you find it a little fishy, using this method will allow you to enjoy it deliciously. It's handy to remember because it's easy to do with just salt and water. Once you've finished soaking them in salt water, make sure to remove any belly bones. Now, for part of the seafood, I'd like to make zuke. So let's prepare the sauce. We'll add 2 tablespoons of sake, 2 tablespoons of mirin, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Once it boils and the alcohol evaporates, add a mixture of water and dashi stock that you've prepared. Once it's done, chill it and let it sit with your favorite sashimi for a while. The rice is cooked now. I'll mix it with vinegar to make sushi rice. There's another video demonstrating how to make it, so please take a look. Half of the red sea bream will be seared. Please prepare ice water beforehand. We'll sear the sashimi using a burner, focusing on the skin side. Once the skin is seared, immediately cool it in the ice water to prevent the heat from reaching the flesh. Once chilled, remove from the ice water and pat dry with kitchen paper. We'll cut the red sea bream into easy-to-eat sizes once the sea bream is cut. We'll proceed to cut the yellowtail into bite-sized pieces as well. You may notice that the yellowtail's flesh appears slightly whitish this time, but it's incredibly fatty. It's finally time to plate the dish. We'll start by placing the sashimi on top of the sushi rice in the bowl. Layer them slightly overlapping for a visually appealing presentation, and you can also sandwich some shiso leaves between layers for added visual appeal. Once all the sashimi is plated, sprinkle some sesame seeds on top, and add nori seaweed and wasabi as well. That's it, your almost $5 seafood bowl is complete. How did you like it? You've managed to create an amazing seafood bowl for just $5. Great job! If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you again in the next video.